Welcome back to Leggari, everybody. Behind me we got a countertop here we did about 10 days ago, and we're going to show you our top coat options on it. And since it's been 10 days, we are going to sand the surface. If you do it within 24 hours, you don't have to sand the surface, you just apply our top coat right to it. So right here we'll do our urethane top coat with the grit. It's going to be our satin finish, highly scratch resistant and durable. Over here we'll do the urethane without the grit. It's going to be our high gloss still. It's going to leave a little texture, and this is also going to be highly scratch resistant and durable. And then on this one we'll do our glaze coat thick build top coat. It's still highly scratch resistant, but it lays out perfectly flat like glass. So check it out, here we go. We always recommend sanding edges by hand. So this is the first option I'm going to show you out of our three options. This is our WB urethane matte finish or satin finish top coat. I say both because some people know it as a matte or a satin. It's just a low sheen top coat. There's an additive that you add to it to get the sheen like this. Extremely durable, easy to apply, and it looks awesome. So this is our second top coat option. This is going to be our WB urethane in high gloss. It's a very high gloss sheen, very easy to apply. It looks amazing. It will leave a minor orange peel texture to your surface, but if you're looking for extreme durability and high scratch resistance, this is going to be the top coat you want. It works great for countertops and floors. So this is going to be our third option. This is our glaze coat top coat. It's a super high gloss, glass smooth finish. It's going to give you the same finish that epoxy does when it's cured and leveled out, but it will be a clear coat. It's specifically designed for top coats, so it will be different than our countertop kits, and really easy to apply. You basically just put it on thick, let it level out, roll it out just like you did your base coat of the counter kit. So that's our three top coat options for mainly countertops. You can use the urethanes on flooring. They're all great products, and if you're looking for some added durability or scratch resistance to existing coatings, other products, other services, these top coats work amazing as well. They're industrial grade, super durable, and designed for extreme wear. So thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and remember, Leggari.com has you covered.